The French Open uses clay, a slower surface that supports rallies and discourages power play. You win with skill and artistry, not brute force. Clay embraces the ball as a man would his lover. Every bounce leaves an impression. Every stroke, every slide recording lovingly on its body, scattering dusts. A beautiful afterthought. Maddeningly messy, yet utterly necessary for a frantic finish. And oh, the sound! The porous surface creates a complex soundscape that induces pure oral orgasm. It complements the display and creates an ecstatic mix of human athleticism and artistry that will shiver every single pore in your body. Roland Garros. Yes, these people understand. Passion. Santé.